Global Software Systems, providing the hospitality industry with software solutions that maximize revenue and operating efficiency. The Resort Dashboard, a web-enabled business intelligence software solution for maximizing guest satisfaction, monitoring financial health, using industry-standard key performance indicators, monitoring monthly profit and loss statistics, and identifying missed targets using KPI alerts, analyzing reservation statistics, as well as forecasting occupancy and revenue. The Guest Satisfaction Module provides a hotel manager or executive with real-time guest satisfaction survey reports in the form of graphical charts. The charts are generated using data from the centralized data warehouse database. The surveys are solicited from departed guests over the internet using electronic messages and web forms. The Guest Satisfaction and Intent to Return charts provide the tools necessary to monitor and improve a resort's guest satisfaction index, since they report a summary of the guest satisfaction and their intent to return survey responses. The Guest Satisfaction Pie Chart provides a graphical representation of the total number of guest responses as well as the total number of guests that were very satisfied, satisfied, and not satisfied. This information is critical to monitoring and improving a resort's guest satisfaction index. A hotel manager or executive can configure an alert to identify resorts that fall below a particular guest satisfaction index. The Guest Intent to Return bar chart provides a graphical representation of the total number of guests that said that they would return versus those who say that they would not return to your resort. This information is critical to a hotel manager, since irate guests can ruin the image of a resort by posting negative comments on travel review websites, such as TripAdvisor.com. The ability to identify and resolve issues associated with dissatisfied guests is the key to maintaining a high level of guest satisfaction and increasing this index. The answer summary bar charts provide a graphical representation of the responses solicited in the guest satisfaction surveys. The responses also measure the guest's expectation in terms of their check-in and check-out experience, the room comfort and cleanliness upon arrival, housekeeping during their stay, their satisfaction with the grounds and amenities, as well as any comments or suggestion on improving their stay. The responses to these questions will provide the resort management team with the information required to further increase guest satisfaction and improve the critical guest satisfaction index. The Guest Satisfaction Query Facility provides users with the ability to search and review any of the surveys in the database. The search criteria allows the manager to review all surveys for guests that were not satisfied or will not return to your resort. Using the query facility to identify and resolve unsatisfied guests' issues and problems is the key to improving guest satisfaction and increasing repeat business. The Bookings Analysis module provides the tools and information required by the marketing and sales department of a resort to determine the effectiveness of their marketing and advertising campaigns. This module collects and reports room night and room revenue, reservation statistics by market, source, and rate code categories. The Booking Analysis Room Nights by Market Summary Pie Chart depicts reservation information for predefined market segments. This chart displays the count and percentage distribution for each segment. This information is invaluable to the sales and marketing department, since it reports the market penetration for each segment and the effectiveness of marketing and sale campaigns. The Booking Analysis Room Nights by Source Summary Pie Chart depicts reservation information by reservation source. This chart displays the count and percentage distribution for each reservation source. This information is also invaluable to the sales and marketing department, since it reports the source of reservations and identifies the need for an increase or decrease in targeted marketing and sales campaigns. The Booking Analysis Room Nights by Rate Code Summary Pie Chart depicts reservation information by reservation rate codes. This chart displays the count and percentage distribution for each rate code. This information is also invaluable to the sales and marketing department, since it reports the business generated for each rate code in relation to total room sales and the effects of implementing different pricing strategies. The booking analysis, room nights by top agent, summary pie chart, depicts reservation information by reservation booking agents. This chart displays the count and percentage distribution for each booking agent. This information is also very important to the sales and marketing department, since it reports the business generated by each agent and the effects of implementing different room revenue commission strategies. The booking analysis, room nights by market, detail pie charts, depicts reservation information for predefined market segments. These charts display room night and room revenue counts and percentage distributions for each segment. The detail information includes statistics for current year actuals, forecasted, budgeted and the previous year. This information is invaluable to the finance department, since it provides actual, forecasted, budgeted and previous reservation and average daily rate KPI information for each market segment. The booking analysis, room nights by source or channel, detail pie charts, report reservation information for predefined market channels. These charts display room night and room revenue counts and percentage distributions for each channel or source. The detail information includes statistics for current year actuals, forecasted, budgeted and the previous year. This information is invaluable to the finance department, since it provides actual, forecasted, budgeted and previous reservation and average daily rate KPI information for each reservation channel partner. The booking analysis, room nights by rate codes, detail pie charts, display reservation information for predefined rate codes. These charts display room night and room revenue counts and percentage distributions for each rate code. The detail information includes statistics for current year actuals, forecasted, budgeted and the previous year. This information is invaluable to the sales department, since it provides actual, forecasted, budgeted and previous reservation and average daily rate KPI information for each rate code. The KPI Alert and Administration Facility allows the user the ability to configure target alerts that trigger an alert message if it is not attained. This is an invaluable tool, since it can be used to identify underperforming resorts. This tool can identify the need for additional marketing and sales campaigns, or issues and problems that may need to be addressed and corrected to improve the guest satisfaction index. The Historical Key Performance Indicator Trend Analysis Module Report provides daily, month-to-date, year-to-date and previous year, occupancy, average daily rate, revenue per available room and the cost per available room historical KPI statistics for a resort, in two graphical charts and a table. The first, KPI percentage change chart, reports the change in variance between accounting periods for each KPI. The second charts combine current revenue targets, actuals, previous year's revenue, costs and an indicator for attaining or not meeting targets. The third table combines all the information in both charts to show the relationship between each KPI value over time. The Operating Statistics Forecasting Facility reports revenue and occupancy forecasting information in two bar charts and a table. The charts and table display previous, current and forecasted KPI operating statistics and percentage changes for the past 12 months. The charts can be used to identify seasonal trends and provide the finance and marketing departments with the information required for developing sound strategic and operating plans. The Profit and Loss Forecasting Facility provides a combined schedule of the actual and budgeted room night availability, room night occupancy, revenue, expenses and gross operating profit by accounting month. This information is important to the finance department, since it reports the financial health and profitability of a resort. The resort dashboard collects, stores, and reports the business intelligence information required by a hotel's management team to increase guest satisfaction, Monitor and analyze financial health. Monitor and analyze key performance indicators, such as occupancy, average daily rate, revenue per available room, cost per available room. Monitor and analyze reservation statistics, and forecast revenue and occupancy. The resort dashboard collects operating statistics from multiple sources and converts it into business intelligent information for analysis and review in one application. It provides the information and tools required by financial, marketing and sales executives to develop effective, profitable strategic and operational